Okay. Okay. Well, it has to do with the batter and the technique. Now, most Vietnamese use the already prepared package, and I'm not finding the correct flour, it seems like. And there's got to be a way to make this flour that I have no clue, and I've looked at many recipes, and there's just different recipes. So this is going to be a difficult one, but I'm still going to attempt to make them. And the other video was like a flop. Flop, flop. So I got my my batter here, my crepe batter, which is mostly rice flour and scallions and coconut milk. And then I'm just going to go ahead and pour that over. And the ones that she made were very crispy. They were so nice and crispy. And this is a hard one. So I'm going to go ahead and put the basil. The basil is nice because it gives it a nice little yummy flavor in there. And then I'm going to put the cilantro. So I sauteed the onions, a little bit of spring garlic, the mushrooms, and some prosciutto. Yeah, is that prosciutto? Or let's see. I think so. Oh, pancetta. Sorry. and some shrimp. Then I went ahead and sauteed it, and then I added the batter, and then I add like a little bit of mint leaf, which is nice. It gives it a nice flavor. Mint leaf, some basil, cilantro, and you don't have to add the cilantro. It just gives it a nice little flavor. Oops. See, the trick is it's got to be hot enough where it can flip over so easily. So I keep adjusting the heat here. And that's the tricky part. And I think it has a lot to do with the technique. And the technique is not so well. So I tried to do it in a wok, and that's what happened. See, I can only use a wok with fried rice and stir fries. Not making these, that's for sure. So I'm going back to the non-stick, which should be okay. Okay. So I just want to make sure and you know what? It's not going to be perfect, but normally they're nice and round, and you can fold them into a crepe. But I think this is going to be okay. It has the shrimp and the pancetta, and which is going to make it a nice flavor. Okay, and that's how you make my version of a Vietnamese pancake. Okay, up on sale. Alrighty, enjoy.